We are Adriana, Elisabet, and Carlota.
Do you believe in magic?
Are you ready to help Thea in her adventure? Let's go!
Once upon a time, there was a small, faraway town called Eldale Town. It was a normal town where nothing interesting ever happened. There lived a girl called Thea. She was a nymph human. She had big green eyes, red hair, and lots of freckles. She had a very strange power. She could grow beautiful flowers, plants, and bushes with her hands. Thea and the Magical World of Becadri. She always wore gloves to hide her power.
Good morning, Thomas.
Her best friend was called Thomas. He had dark skin, curly brown hair, and black eyes.
Good morning, Thea. How are you?
I'm fine. Come on, let's go to class.
Hey, freak! Be careful with what you touch, as we don't want flowers to grow everywhere.
Amber Becky was a beautiful girl with long black hair and brown eyes. She was the daughter of the mayor, and she was rich and arrogant. She made fun of Thea for her power every day, and it made Thea sad. When school ended, Thea went home. She wanted to talk to her father, Jackson.
How was your day?
Not good, Daddy.
Why?
I'm tired of this power. Amber Becky always makes fun of me. I wish I were normal. Please, help me be normal.
Don't worry about it, Thea. You are perfect just the way you are.
Fine.
Her daddy didn't understand her, so she went to his library. She wanted to find a book that explained who she was. Then Thea saw a glowing book that looked like it was calling her. She reached over for the book and touched it with her glove. Nothing happened. She thought and thought. What could she do? Let's help Thea and Thomas. Everyone say, use your power! Use your power! Use your power! Thea took off her glove and touched the book. It glowed so beautifully. Suddenly, a secret door opened behind the bookcase. It was a secret library. Thea entered the secret library and found an open big book. It looked very old and it was very dusty. Thea walked over to the book and read its pages.
A long time ago, in a land of infinite glow, lived Aura, the nymph queen, and she had the power to make everything green. That's my power! One day she fell in love with a human from above. As a visitor he came, and Jackson was his name. Oh my goodness, that's Daddy! They had a daughter who was like a flower, and Queen Aura gave her the power, but the kingdom was attacked and she had to go back. If you find this book and you want to come, follow these instructions to find your mom. During a full moon, go to the square and say these words without being scared. Abracadabra, let's go to Becadri. Then, into the fountain you must jump on the way to find your mom. If you want, bring a friend and follow Chloe to the end. Becadri? Chloe? I'm so confused.
Thea left the library and went to her room. She decided to call Thomas.
Thea, what's happening? I hope it's important. I was sleeping.
It's very important. I know how to be normal. You have to help me.
Really? But how?
Come to the fountain at the square and I tell you everything.
Fine.
Thank you so much. You are my best friend.
Thea and Thomas found each other at the square.
Thanks for coming, Thomas. You are the best friend ever.
You're welcome, Thea. I will always help you. What do we have to do?
Come with me to the fountain and sing this song. Abracadabra, let's go to Becadri.
Thea and Thomas approached the fountain and sang the song. They waited and waited, and nothing happened.
Maybe we need some help. Let's help Thea and Thomas. Everybody follow us. Abracadabra, let's go to Becadri.
Abracadabra, let's go to Becadri.
Abracadabra, let's go to Becadri. Suddenly, a bright light came from the fountain.
Now we must jump inside.
Thea and Thomas jumped in the fountain. Suddenly, a mermaid appeared.
Hello, I'm Chloe. If you are here, it's because you want to go to Becadri.
Chloe was a beautiful mermaid with dark skin, brown eyes, and rainbow hair.
But I'm so sorry because I can't help you.
Suddenly, Chloe disappeared.
Whoosh!
What's happening? We followed all the instructions that were in the book.
I told you, Thea, it was a bad idea. Whoosh! Just joking. Come on, follow me.
Finally, Thea and Thomas were able to follow the mermaid into a bright light. Thea and Thomas arrived in Becadri, but it looked different from the pictures in the book. There were no flowers, nor plants, nor bushes, nothing.
What is this, Thea? What is this ugly place?
I don't know.
A very small fairy appeared.
Hello. Who are you? I'm Blossom.
Blossom was a small fairy with pale skin, brown eyes, and blonde hair. She dressed in yellow and had a bell on each ankle.
Hi, we are Thomas and Thea, and we just arrived.
What happened here? Isn't this Becadri? Yes, this is Becadri. Why are you here? It's not a good time.
Why? What's going on?
I'll take you to the Queen, and she will tell you everything. Follow me.
Thea and Thomas followed Blossom through the desert of Becadri. Thea and Thomas walked inside the castle. It was beautiful. They saw the Queen sitting on the stairs. Hello there.
Hello. You are so beautiful.
Aura was a forest nymph and the Queen of Becadri. She had green skin, blue eyes, and red hair. She was tall and gorgeous. Thank you. Who are you?
I'm Thomas, and this is Thea. What happened here?
A volcano erupted and burnt everything down. I used to have the power to grow plants, but I lost it when I had my daughter.
I have this power. Look.
You are my baby girl. Aura and Thea hugged. They were so happy.
Thea, you can help Becadri.
Of course. Look.
Thea grew flowers, plants, and bushes everywhere, and Becadri looked beautiful again. Thank you so much.
The volcano is erupting again. Don't worry, we'll save you. How are we going to climb the volcano?
I will help you. I love climbing.
Thomas helped Thea climb the volcano. Thea looked down at the volcano. It was very scary.
I'm scared, Thomas.
You can do it. Use your power.
Okay.
Thea used her power and filled the volcano with flowers, trees, and bushes. She stopped the eruption. All their friends were there, waiting to thank them and to celebrate with a song.
Come on, let's celebrate.
Thank you for saving Becadri. Thank you, we miss you so much.
Thank you for saving Becadri. Thank you, we'll miss you so much.
Thank you for saving Becadri. Thank you, we'll miss you so much. Thea promised to visit Becadri every week. Thea and Thomas said goodbye and went back home. What an adventure! Thea talked to her father Jackson and told him about her adventure. He was so happy that she loved herself now. The next day at school, Amber Becky made fun of Thea, but Thea did not care. She loved herself. And they all lived happily ever after.
Thank you so much for your help. And remember, you are all perfect just the way you are. Always love yourself.
Thank you so much for watching.
Did you like the story?
I'm sure you believe in magic now. Goodbye.